Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LIBE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time, Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and monster volume, well above average on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal. And if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And ideally speaking, that would be if the price could stay up above 0008. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0008, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0008 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward right now on two separate occasions today. Price tried to get up there through 0013 and couldn't quite do it. So again, like I said, both once and then twice. Tried to get up through there and struggled with it. So 0013, public enemy number one. Although all in all, resistance levels really don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters the most is what the price has already begun to do, and that is this right here. So if you start to look at where the lows have been, so you had lows there, you had some lows there, you have these lows up there, and if you envision each of these as stair steps, as long as these stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So as fun as it is to talk about levels of resistance and breaking them, as long as you focus on higher bases and going through those healthy consolidations, then again, eventually everything else will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations and higher lows and just sit back and let the trend build upon itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.